Go ahead, insert that back in there. That's what she said. What's up, welcome everybody back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing an oil change on a 2014 Audi S4. This is the 6-cylinder with turbo supercharger right here, the blower motor right on top. And it's going to be pretty straightforward. It takes 7 quarts of oil. Your oil filter's right here. It's a 36mm socket. All right, so we are on here. There's Phillips screwdriver 1, 2, all the way around this pan here. So I'm just going to go ahead, not bore you with that, and take it off. Just wanted you to see what it is. Okay guys, once you get the pan off, underneath, the bolt for the oil pan is a T40 size Allen or T40 torque socket here. So just put a T40 in there, break it loose, unscrew it, let the oil drain. Alright, so this is my first time ever touching this vehicle since it's a second owner vehicle that we have it as. And we've never done an oil change on it, but that being said, the oil pan drain plug that takes a 7mm socket, or excuse me, 6mm Allen key was stripped. So what we did, or what I did, was I improvised about 3 to 4 inches away from where the plug is. There's the oil switch, or the oil sensor, right? Oil level switch sensor, and it's got 3 10mm bolts holding it up. And I thought it would be creative of me to pull that down to see if oil leaked. Sure enough, whoom! Oil everywhere, everywhere. I mean, I'm talking all over the driveway, everywhere. But hey, we were successful. Yes, there's my oil rag. That's my oil rag right there. Thank God that I don't have a neighbor that's in the EPA. I'd be fine. But anyways, regardless of that stuff, we got oil out of the pan, we're fresh, sensors back in, and now I'm going to go ahead and remove the oil filter with this 36mm socket. And before I actually pull that off, I'm just going to go ahead and put a towel there, so if oil drips everywhere, it drips in the towel. And sure enough, it's dripping. So while that is there, I will go ahead, clean up the little mess that I made. New filter. Here we go. Usually these come with new gaskets. There they are. So we're gonna assess the situation here. Make sure we're putting the nice new filters together with new oil slicks, gaskets, and stand by. And with the magic of a flathead screwdriver, we can go ahead and peel the old gasket out of there. Go into this universal kit. That doesn't belong there. Go into this universal kit here and find the right gasket that emulates the old one. Slide it back in there. If you look inside there, make sure it sits in its grooves properly, and we're good to go. Go ahead, insert that back in there. That's what she Jason. Regain some trust in your handy dandy socket. And go ahead and tighten her back in. Voila! Next, final step. It's pretty easy. Pretty easy. I'm gonna take our oil, my handy dandy homemade oil funnel. Stick it right in there. And put 7 quarts of oil back in this wonderful, beautiful motor. Okay, oil's back in. We're gonna start it. All right. And as you heard, it sucked that oil right up onto the top of the engine. Our oil sensor below is not leaking, which is good. And we're done. That's how you change the oil on a 2009 to 2016 Audi S4 with the V6 turbo, with the V6 supercharged motor. If you like what I'm doing on this channel, if you like who I am, what I do, my videos, please hit that like button, that subscribe button, because the more subscribers that I have, the more I can achieve the dreams that I want to achieve. And that is to one day buy a car, restore it, create a nice project car for everybody to watch from start to finish. I know there's a lot of content creators out there doing this. It is a passion of mine. I would love to be one of those guys to produce that for you. So if you can do anything for me, support me, hit that like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time.